So, what is Norse paganism? If you've seen the symbols, heard the names of the gods, and felt a deeper calling from something older, you're not alone. Most people first come across it through movies, shows, or social media and walk away thinking it's all axes, beards, and battle cries. But that's just the surface story. What you're really looking at is a spiritual path that's been rebuilt for the modern world. One that's less about looking the part and more about living with purpose. At its core, Norse paganism is a way of connecting with the gods, honoring your ancestors, and building a meaningful life through your actions. It doesn't require a costume, a title, or anyone's permission to begin. There's no single authority handing down rules. It's personal, it's practical, and it meets you exactly where you are. So whether you're stepping into this out of curiosity or searching for something real, the path doesn't demand perfection. It asks for effort. So if you came here expecting a history lesson or a fantasy role play, that's not what this channel is. This is about understanding what this path looks like in real life, right now, in today's world. No gatekeeping, no performance, no pretend. Just a clear, honest look at someone walking and living this lifestyle. This is how the Heathen. Let's put a clear name to it, because in the United States, you'll hear a lot of different labels for this path. But that's mostly an American habit of dividing things into categories. In Iceland, where the tradition has been formally practiced and a little more recognized, it's simply called Asatru across the board. Here in America, the word Asatru can make some people hesitate because it's been linked to groups like the Asatru Folk Assembly, which have pushed exclusionary ideas. That association has made the term feel loaded for a lot of people. But that's a conversation worth having on its own, and a subject for a whole other video.
Trying to be better than yesterday's life.
At its simplest, Norse paganism, or Asatru in its original sense, is a modern spiritual path inspired by the pre-Christian traditions of Northern Europe. It's about forming relationships with the gods, honoring your ancestors, and living in a way that builds meaning through your actions. There's no single doorway into it, and no one standing there checking your credentials. If you feel drawn to it, you're already at the threshold. One of the most important things to understand right away, though, is that there's no central authority, no single book that everyone follows word for word, and no universal leader speaking for everyone. People often learn from sources like the Poetic Edda and the Prose Edda, and then apply those ideas to modern life in a way that actually works today. It's not about recreating the past perfectly. It's about taking what's been passed down and using it to build something real in the present.
Through the forest there. Quiet moments, the gods are there. Not in crowns, not in fantasy, just in living with honesty. This is how the Heathen built through the light from leading, mind awake and my feet still moving, heart like thunder.
Now, let's clear something up, because this is where a lot of people get tripped up. Norse paganism is about dressing like a Viking, collecting symbols, or trying to step into a version of the past that no longer exists. It's not a costume you put on or a role you play. It's a way of living that shows up in your choices, your mindset, and how you carry yourself in the world. Pop culture has done a number on this. Between the show Vikings, movies, and aesthetics floating around online, it's easy to think this path is all about looking intense or appearing authentic. You'll see people treating it like a performance. Like if they can just get the image right, they somehow arrive. But this path doesn't care what you look like. It cares what you do, how you think, and how you treat others. So if you're coming into this thinking you need to become someone else, you don't. There's no character to play here. The goal isn't to escape your life. It's to live it better, with more awareness, more attention, and more purpose. And once you strip all the noise away, what you're left with is something much simpler. and much more real. So if it's not about appearance or performance, what does this path actually ask of you?
Spirit unbroken, this is how the heathen. No masking, no pretending. Every scar and every lesson, part of who I'm becoming. Oh, 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 oh. Not the past reborn again. This is how the heathen. The fire inside still breathing.
Before we go any further, a quick moment to ground this in something real. In Old Norse, Saturday is called Lagurðagur. It's pool day, washing day. It's a day to clean up and take care of yourself. Nothing flashy, just discipline and action. Well, let's say my dear lives in my beard or Lagurðagur. Build around the ritual of getting yourself right before you face the day. And if you want to carry that mindset further, check out the modern Havamal, practical everyday wisdom. And take a look at my Resin and Pyrographic art, the roll link below. Pieces made by hand with intention, just like the path itself. Every purchase helps the channel.
This is how the heathen built through the life I'm leading. Mind awake and my feet still moving. Heart like thunder, spirit unbroken. This is how the heathen. No masking, no pretending. Every scar and every lesson, part of who I'm becoming.
Now we take this out of theory and put it onto the paper. Because this path doesn't live in books or comment sections. It lives in what you do with your body every single day. In the Norse thought, there's a concept called Heathenry, your physical form. The body is the vessel you move through the world in. And if this path is about becoming more aligned, more capable, more intentional, then ignoring your body makes no sense. Taking care of your Heathenry isn't about chasing some perfect physique or trying to look intimidating. It's about function, discipline, and respect. Strength matters because life demands it. Endurance matters because life doesn't slow down for you. Even the smallest improvement, one more rep, one more step, one better decision, that's the path. It's how you build something real. Not overnight, not for show, but piece by piece and step by step. Because at the end of the day, this path is about becoming a better version of yourself. Stronger in body, sharper in mind, more grounded in how you move through the world around you. Not separate from it, not above it, but in rhythm with it. And that starts right here, with the body you wake up in and the choices you make with it.
I stepped in the gym like a blade in the flame. Every rep hit hard, now I'm not the same. Iron on my shoulders, pain carved the frame. Build muscle and discipline, both earn their name. Sweat hit the floor like rain in the storm. Weak habits broke while a savage was born. Heartbeat thunder, hear the war drum pound. Every plate on the bar got me deeper, profound. This ain't vanity, this is spirit. Forging mind and body every time that I live. From the ashes of excuses, now the hunger exists. Build myself with the iron, every scar got kissed.
Out here is where the path breathes a little deeper. Now, away from noise, away from screens, you start to understand something simple but powerful. You're not separate from the world around you. In Norse Paganism, nature isn't just scenery, it's part of the relationship. It's something you exist within, not something you pass through. There's a concept you hear called landvættir, the spirits of the land. Not in a cartoonish or mythical overload kind of way, but as a way of recognizing that places have presence, have soul, have energy. Forests feel different than cities. Trails feel different than roads. When you slow down enough to notice that, you're already engaging with the idea. It's awareness before anything else. And as for a beginner, this is one of the easiest and most real ways to start. No rituals required, no deep study needed. Just step outside, pay attention, and respect the space you're in. That's it. That's the beginning of the connection. And it's a lot more powerful than it looks at first glance. Now that you felt the connection, this is where we give it shape, because Asatru isn't just something you believe, it's something you build. I would call it a practice, and if you're new, having a simple framework keeps you from getting lost in all the noise. See, I break down into 5 areas that you can actually work on to improve your life, and they're all based on the Norse soul part. First is the Hamir, your body, the physical vessel you move through the world in. Then the Huger, your mind, how you think, learn, and grow. Your Haminga is your fortune, your luck, the life you build through your actions and decisions. And the Freyja is your spiritual connection, your relationship with the gods, the ancestors, and whatever you feel beyond yourself. And finally, there's Fila, your community, how you show up for others and build real relationships. And if you'd like to build some real relationships, check out the link in the description for the Discord channel. We got real heathens doing real heathen shit in it. But remember, you don't have to master all of this overnight. You just gotta start. One small improvement in any area of your life is moving forward. One better decision than yesterday is progress. This path isn't about perfection, it's about a direction. And if you keep moving, even slowly, you're already doing it right. So if you're gonna spend any time on this channel, here's what you can expect. This isn't a history lecture, and it's not a costume show. You're gonna see food, fitness, skating, music, and everyday life, because those are the things I actually do. This path doesn't live trapped in the past. It shows up in how you move through the world right now. You'll see meals being made because providing and taking care of yourself matters. You'll see training because your body matters. And you'll see me on a board a lot. Because this life is about doing what makes you happy, pushing yourself and actually enjoying the time you've got. Oh, every video on this channel is backed by original music, inspired by the path itself, built to carry the same energy through everything I create. None of this is separate from Norse paganism to me. It is the path, not because I'm pretending to live in the Viking age, because I'm trying to live with purpose through it in the modern world. This isn't about costumes, titles, or performances. It's about building a stronger body, a sharper mind, meaningful relationships, and a life that actually feels connected to the world around you. And if any of it is connected with you, don't just let it pass by. Take one step, learn something new. Improve something small, go outside, move your body, reflect for a minute. That's how this starts. Not with permission, not with gatekeeping, just with action. If you want to keep building, hit a like, drop a comment, and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. And if you're looking for community, join the Discord server link below. That's where people are actually talking, learning, and growing together, one step at a time. Until next time, stay fucking savage.